Hi, I'm Gina Shumway, owner of Titan Group in Chattanooga. I work with buyers, sellers, and investors, and I'm also an active investor myself. So I understand this process from both sides of the table. Today, I'm sitting down with Lindsey Saunders, who invested here in Chattanooga, to talk about her experience, what made her decide to invest in this market, what the process looked like, and how things have gone since purchasing. My goal is to help clients feel more confident, feel like they're making informed decisions, and find opportunities that truly make sense long term. So let's dive in. Lindsey, thank you so much for being here.
Hey.
Okay, so let's start with, tell me a little bit about yourself and how did you originally find me / the Titan Group?
Yes. So my husband and I decided that we wanted to dive into some investment rental properties. And we went to dinner one night with some close friends that have worked with you in the past on several different properties. And you came highly recommended. They made us feel, after talking to them, they kind of just made us feel a little bit more at ease going through this process. It wasn't as hard as we had maybe put in our mind. And they gave us your number. And from the start of talking with you, it just provided extreme confidence going forward.
Awesome. Thank you for that. So what concerns or hesitations did you have before you decided to invest here in Chattanooga?
Yeah, as first-time investors, I should say, we kind of had a little bit of a hesitation just because we simply didn't know. We just didn't feel confident maybe in the neighborhoods, the rental demand, and of course our long-term growth potential. And those were probably our biggest concerns going into it, just because we were just kind of new to that area.
Awesome. And how do you feel, or how did I help address those concerns?
You really just walked us through each step, and you explained the market very clearly. You also were very honest with your feedback. You helped us understand the realistic numbers out of the rental property. So for that, I felt like that was huge. You helped us also look at aesthetics, maybe in things that we didn't notice that would need a repair down the road or immediate attention. And so that was extremely helpful as well.
Perfect. Thank you. Yeah, I try really hard to make sure that sometimes setting realistic expectations are important. And then also when you become an investor, as you're learning, you have to see things through a specific lens. Because, certain things become more costly. So, okay. So how would you describe your overall experience, which you kind of already answered this, but how would you describe your overall experience of working with me / Titan Group?
Oh, I would say from start to finish, it was an amazing experience. So much so that 5 months later, we were purchasing another investment property with you. So it was wonderful. You gave us the confidence that we needed. You were really helpful with all the information that maybe we were blind to. You really kind of just made the process effortless for us.
Thank you. I really appreciate that. So now you've bought 2 properties with me so far. How have those 2 properties, so it's always, you buy the property and then sometimes it's like what happens afterwards. So how have those 2 properties performed for you compared to your expectations when you purchased them?
Oh, they've met my expectations all the way. It's really been effortless. You put us into properties that, as first-time investors, it just was, like I said, effortless. So it's provided us the confidence we needed to proceed forward in our portfolio. I've been overly thrilled with the area that you put us into. I think it's a thriving, safe area, and I'm ready to continue on.
Yay, I love that. Perfect. So, two questions kind of the same. You work with me again, and what would you tell someone who's thinking about investing here or working with Titan Group?
I would absolutely work with Gina again. I hope to. And if someone came to us and wanted to know how we got started and what advice that they needed, I would honestly ask that they call Gina, have a talk with her, because she's extremely knowledgeable at where to guide them and get them started, as well as show them actual numbers that could help boost their confidence along the way throughout their process. I could not have done this without Gina and her help, and I just felt like it was such a she provided me the confidence that I needed to proceed forward and not pull back, because it is scary whenever you're diving into an avenue that you've never done before, and she just made it effortless and gave me the confidence that I needed. And so I'm very happy, and I would 100% use Gina again.
Thank you again, Lindsey. For any of you who maybe have watched this, if you're thinking about investing in Chattanooga, if you need guidance on your next move, I would love to help. Reach out to Titan Group. I'm Gina Shumway, and we look forward to working with you.
Thanks, Gina.